did. Yeah. Y'all want to talk? Come on with it. What's up with all my subscribers? Y'all pop out. Now, one thing y'all don't know about my channel, I don't delete a bitch ass thing. You did. I don't give a fuck if I go to sleep on this bitch. I pop up. Oh, who gives a damn? It's live. I'm live. I'm not gonna delete my live. See, some people ain't live. They gotta delete their shit. No, I'm not deleting shit off any one of my lives. Y'all better go back and check my shit. Check my temperature. I ain't gonna delete my shit if y'all get on this bitch talking about me. Hell no, I'm gonna leave that bitch up. Y'all so crazy, YouTube. Y'all got people wearing hats and shit now. YouTube, y'all are so crazy. YouTube, y'all so crazy. Nigga wearing a turban. You know, like Bill Land little brother and shit. Boy, y'all are crazy, YouTube. Y'all got people wearing hats and shit. You know what I'm saying? Hats and shit. I'm like, damn, look at you too. Got a motherfucker wearing a hat. Motherfucker doing a green screen. He don't want to open his mouth. That nigga doing a green screen. He looking retarded. No. I said, damn, like, oh my lord. Look, he don't want to open his mouth because people were talking about his old upside down there teeth. I ain't shit changed because I got another channel. Man, this shit is up. It's stuck. Oh Lord, this shit crazy, y'all. This nigga steady, man. Say, y'all, it's a lot of these fake ass channels out here, y'all. They making like their channel doing so good with like 3 or 4 videos. They ain't doing nothing but deleting shit. But see, I don't delete shit. So when you see my shit down there, probably be at 10 mil in videos. I don't delete shit. I keep my shit 100. I ain't like these motherfuckers want to delete shit because the motherfuckers get on their shit and talk about their ass, roast their ass. They delete the shit. Or they make themselves look like a dumbass and it make them look like they stupid. So, oh, I'm gonna have to delete that. I don't delete shit. Internet ain't gonna shame me. But some people living for internet, they gotta delete that shit because they know it make you look like a crash dummy or a stupid. So yeah, y'all, some people got to do some shit now. I don't give a damn. On me, if I pass out on this bitch right now, I'm still gonna keep this live going. Be like, oh well, I am tired. I'm not gonna be all look at this nigga. He done passed out on live, looking like a dumbass now. I'm a real ass person. That what happens when you on some good. You pass out. What can I say? And I don't delete shit though. One thing I know about this, my shit, I don't delete shit. Y'all got motherfuckers delete they whole goddamn catalog, y'all. Trying to make that shit look good in a bitch. Boy, you did have to delete half your shit. Get your bitch ass on. Boy, you ain't no real ass YouTuber. Nigga, you won't even, I ain't deleting shit. All my shit is in my, go look at it. I don't delete nothing. No. I don't give a fuck somebody get on there and want to scope. We gonna scope it out and you still gonna be on my live. You know, damn, let's get this bitch going. Anybody pop out, rock out, let's get it. Yeah, I'm about that. We can roast this shit up. I'm about that. You dig? I love that shit. That's why I be laughing at these motherfuckers. Oh man, it's like that was the best live though, y'all. They were I love that shit. But see, if I would have popped in, I already know they won't block my ass and shit. Flag me, hide me and shit. So I just like to look at this. I think gonna delete it. My cards to you. Okay, y'all. Okay. This is my card. Okay. Birthday daddy love. Birthday love. Check it out, y'all. What? Look at that, y'all. It don't get no better than that. It don't get no better than that. You did? You see that? Artwork, y'all. That's artwork. It is not called you little poke thing. You see that, y'all? Look. She know I like Doritos. She got my Doritos in there, y'all, with the Cool Ranch. Cool Ranch code. Okay, yeah. You see my cake? You see my cake, y'all? What? Yeah. That's love. Yeah. Uh-huh. Look at that.